Welcome back to another Uncle Dumb episode. Whoa! So today we'll be talking about 3 apps that you can use in your school, in your online school. Yeah. Alright, let's get started. First thing, you should use Volume Master. It's pretty good. So imagine you're in a Google Meet and the lecturer is talking really loudly.
Guy given by Prince
Man,
Hamlet in
this guy is so
so-called
loud.
nunnery scene of William Shakespeare's.
Download Volume Master. It's a pretty good extension. It will make your volume. It will make the volume of just that one tab a bit softer. Yeah. Second app that you should download is Grammarly. Yes, I know the very annoying Grammarly advertisements, but trust me, it's actually pretty good. I was curious. I tried it. I would say it's only good if you're the type of student that writes a lot of essays. If you don't write a lot, then it'll probably be very annoying. It's not a Chrome extension, so Grammarly is like a standalone app that when you type something, it's like a little green thing pops out and then tells you all the errors that you've done. Yeah. Finally, the third thing that you should probably download is Notion. So if you're in class and you're really bored and you don't know what to do, you should probably write down notes. And if you don't have paper, you should have Notion. Notion is basically the #1 to-do list app, the #1 note writing app. You should definitely download Notion. I'll make a whole separate video on Notion some other time, but yeah, for note writing, pretty good. Okay, that is all for today's very short video. Just 3 apps that you can download. Be sure to like and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at ClassShift. Bye bye.